Oopsie. Yeah, I'll come back and get these later, but they're not sticking quite out enough to be a problem. But this, from right here on, I want down. Oh, sunshine in my eyes. Ladder swabbling. What can we get done here? Well, that was easier. I mean, took up a lot. I'll come in a little farther and do more. Can I reach it with from the ground? Probably. Okay, can I reach the other one? Yeah. And that's why my back gets sore. Ow. Ooh. Wow. Broke the camera mount. That was a surprise. And not me. Okay, well, that takes care of that. GoPro, stop recording.